Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a product review. Vevor sent me this ice maker. Guys, it's a light commercial ice maker that produces 130 pounds of ice within the 24 hours. And guys, it's summer approaching very soon, so if you're looking for a good ice maker, this might be a good option for you guys. This ice maker, guys, is 30 inches tall, up to 8 hours installation, and guys, automatic cleaning, so you don't have to worry about anything. So guys, I really like the shape and the size, and as you can see inside of it, once you open the package, you will see all the equipment that you need. You don't need to buy nothing else, so everything is included inside the box. It comes with a manual instruction, and the information are very clear and simple, and a drain pipe so you can plug it in the back and to drain the water, so you don't have to do any extra work. I really like so much. And guys, the best thing about it comes with a water filter, so this will help you save money. As you can see, pretty simple installation. You can always hire somebody to do it for you, but you don't really need it because the installation is very simple. And guys, I really love the fact it comes with the filter, so it helps a lot. The link will be in the description box down below if you're looking for something like this. Guys, you can use it for your bar, your home, your small business, and guys, you can customize the size of the ice to your liking. And guys, it has a huge capacity, up to 33 pounds of ice it can hold. That's amazing. And guys, another thing again, it can produce up to 55 cube of ice. It's wonderful. Guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. As you can see, guys, it can produce up to 55 ice cube of ice per tray. And guys, I really like it. You see the back and everything is very nice. So guys, make sure to check the box down below if you are looking for something like this. And guys, I'm going to put everything together and show you how I use it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. I'd like this sometime to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, I do clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. The machine can produce ice from 12 to 15 minutes, and you can go even more than 15 minutes if you don't want the ice right away, so you can set it up as you like it. Guys, as you can see, the machine is very nice, and I love the light. It make it so nice. And I'm setting up right now 15 minutes, and guys, it's gonna cut down till which one is gonna melt the ice and drop it. And I really like it, so you don't have to worry about anything once you press power, and everything's gonna work by itself. And it's producing the ice right now, melting the ice. So you see, everything is very, very nice. I like it. So guys, if you're looking for something like that, check the box down below. And this is the first tray of ice, which is very cool and very nice. So I wanted to leave the color to make you see how pretty it is. And guys, once you finish with it, it just start right away, and then within couple minutes you have the ice full with ice, guys. So I really like it. So if you are somebody that with a large family, or you have a small business, or you gonna have a party or anything. So this one might be very good option for you. As you can see, guys, the tray produce up to 55 a cube of ice, and the capacity of the storage is up to 33 pound. And guys, once the ice is done, it will hold the ice up to 8 hours. It's amazing. So as you can see, guys, and once it's full, it's gonna stop. So you gonna have to remove the ice or just let it melt. And guys, it's not gonna do nothing. So once it's full, it's okay. So you just have to just remove the ice and do your thing. I really love this ice maker, guys, for somebody with large family like me. So when I'm doing my summer, we're gonna have a lot of cookout. This one will be very, very good for me. It will save me a lot of money from buying ice from the store. I really like it, guys. With Father's Day going on, this can be a very good option. A lot cookout, family reunion, and guys, with this big scoop allow you to pick up the ice faster. And guys, once everything is clear, you remove all the ice out of the way, it start producing ice right away. With the automatic water filter system, guys, it make it more easy for you to save time and money and long-lasting installation. And guys, as you can see, the LED light make it so nice, and you can adjust everything. It's self-cleaning, and guys, you don't have to worry. Once you remove all the ice out of the way, it start producing ice right away, as you can see, and you can customize the size of your ice. It's so nice. So guys, make sure to check the link down below if you're looking for something like that. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous un ice maker qui une machine qui fait glace que Vevor qui sont une compagnie qui fait. Guys, si nous avons une grande famille et puis nous avons un petit business, nous avons commencé un business ou nous avons mis la canne, si nous avons une grande famille, nous avons fait manger dehors parce qu'on connaît ici, nous avons fait en pile. So guys, ça a une bonne option pour nous. So make sure que nous checker la boîte description pour more information. Et si ce n'est pas la première fois, tout le monde merci en pile pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi, maintenant. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one.